We shape our tools, and thereafter our tools shape us. This famous quote from 1967 nailed it. I'm Patty Bell Hastings, and I'm an educator, designer, artist, author, and hypnotist. You heard that right. I'm a certified practicing hypnotist, but more on that later. I am on a mission to help people take back their time and attention, and so much more. Here's the problem we're facing. Maybe as you're watching this and thinking about what I'm saying, you're having a sense that technology is managing you and not the other way around. Perhaps you can't seem to make it through an hour without checking your phone or scrolling social media or checking email or some other sticky digital distraction. It's quite likely that you also recognize what I'm describing with some of your friends, family, colleagues, and children too. Take a big deep breath of self-compassion. It's not your fault. Our psychological vulnerability is being manipulated by corporations, marketers, and advertisers. We are inadvertently surrendering control when we fall into an infinite scroll and end up scrolling for much longer than we had intended. We get caught in a kind of accidental trance. We can purposefully use similar states of mind to access the underlying operating system and change the way we think, feel, and respond to these technologies. I'm giving you the tools to shift your mind at deeper levels using a 7-step protocol that I've developed out of years of research, practice, and teaching. Since you're watching this video, I imagine that you're aware of the magnitude of this problem. Our automatic behaviors are designed to meet our human needs, and they have been rerouted from the world around us into the machine. We are unconsciously or automatically trying to meet our emotional, mental, physical, and chemical needs through technological interactions. This 7-step process provides a unique solution to habitual and often unintentional digital media immersion and provides a path to individualized recovery from a variety of technological addictions. I'm injecting as much fun and lightheartedness in a process which is really deep, insightful inner work.